Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello dear learners, I am Teacher Tina, your Reader Rescuer of the day. Let us all be part of a very productive way as we familiarize and practice the sounds of Z, Ku, and Ch.
Synthetic phonemes Z, Ku, and Ch. Let us start with the sound Z. Z. The first word is buzz. Buzz. The buzz of the bee. We have our second word Z. Z. Drizzle. Drizzle. It started to drizzle. Drizzle. Z. Z. Puzzle. Puzzle. He solved the puzzle in no time. Puzzle. We have our second sound, Ku. Ku. The first word is queen. Queen. The queen is walking gracefully. Queen. Ku. Ku. Squat. Squat. The fitness teacher demonstrates squat. For the last word for Ku sound, we have liquid. Liquid. He pours the liquid in a glass. Liquid. Let us practice the sound ch. Ch. Chair. Chair. They arrange the chairs in proper order. Chair. Grandchild. Grandchild. The boy is her grandchild. Grandchild. Ch. Ch. Beach. Beach. Our family had a great time at the beach. Beach. Let us practice the sound Z. Z. Drizzle. Drizzle. Puzzle. Puzzle. Buzz. Buzz. Ku. Ku. Queen. Queen. Squat. Squat. Liquid. Liquid. Ch. Ch. Chair. Grandchild. Beach.
Thank you for the fun learning. Again, I am Teacher Tina, your Reading Rescuer. Thank you for learning with me. Have a nice day. See you next time.